Physical weathering. Definition: breaking rocks into smaller pieces without changing their chemical composition. Process: freeze, water enters crack, freezes, expand, and splits rock. Thermal expansion: repeated heating, cooling causes outer layers to peel or crack. Abrasion: wind, water, or ice grind rocks against each other. Pressure release: overlaying materials erodes rocks, expands, and fractures. Root action: plant roots grow into cracks and widen them. Result: smaller fragments, larger surface, and exposed for further weathering. 2. Chemical weathering. Hydrolysis reaction with water breaks down silicates, form clay, minerals, release nutrients. Oxidation reaction with oxygen, rusting, iron turns red or brown, weakens rock structure. Carbonation: water forms weak acid, dissolved limestones, calcite. Dissolution: minerals dissolve completely in water. Hydration: mineral absorb water, swell, and break apart. Result: new minerals release of plant nutrients, weaker, more porous material. 3. Biological weathering. Definition: breakdown caused by living organisms work with physical and chemical process. Roots pry rocks apart, organic acids dissolve minerals. Microbes like bacteria, fungi, algae produce acids, enzymes decompose organic matter, create acids. Animals burrowing: earthworms, ants, rodents mix and breaks materials, waste, add acids. Results: adds organic matter, speeds up weathering, mixes layer, builds initial soil structure.